ang mga ginawa ng Amerika sa Afghanistan noong 2021 nung nagkaroon sila ng withdrawal. Ito, masasabi natin na mismo ang mga Amerikano ang makapagbibigay ng linaw kung gaano talaga tayo dapat mag-rely sa kanila. Kaya kita nyo sa aeroplano, makikita nyo yung mga tao na umaasa sa kanila. Ayan, nagsaka yan. Yan kasi yung mga katulong nila, mga interpreter nila doon. Nakita nyo naman, ayan, nakasakay sa labas. So, pakinggan natin yung testimonya ng mga sundalong yan. Tingnan nyo naman, nakasabit.
This war is not over for millions of people in Afghanistan and the U.S. Thoughts of those 2 weeks have plagued my mind since coming home. I see the faces of all the people we could not save, all those that we left behind. I wonder if our Afghan allies fled to safety or they were killed by the Taliban.
America is building a nasty reputation for multi-generational systemic abandonment of our allies that we leave as smoldering human wreckage from the Montagnards of Vietnam to the Kurds in Syria. Our veterans know something else that this committee might do well to consider. We might be done with Afghanistan, but it's not done with us. We don't set politics aside and pursue accountability and lessons learned to address this grievous moral injury on our military community and right the wrongs that have been inflicted on our most at-risk Afghan allies. This colossal foreign policy failure will follow us home and ultimately draw us right back into the graveyard of empires where it all started.
The withdrawal was a catastrophe, in my opinion, and there was an inexcusable lack of accountability and negligence.
If I leave this committee with only one thought, it's this. It's not too late. We're going to talk a lot today about all of the mistakes that were made leading up to that, but urgent action right now will save so many lives.
The withdrawal was a catastrophe, in my opinion, and there was an inexcusable lack of accountability and negligence. Operations had briefly halted, but then started again. Plain and simple, we were ignored. Our expertise was disregarded. No one was held accountable for our safety. About 1730, Staff Sergeant Darren Hoover, friend and mentor,
Halos umiiyak siya dahil sa nararanasan niyang tighati dun sa nangyaring iniwan nila yung mga tao na tumulong sa kanila. Imagine niyo yung dinadala niya sa konsensya niya. Kaya siya naiiyak ng ganyang klase ng iyak. Ganyan talaga eh. Kapag kayo mga politikong nanguna, talagang masasakripisyo yung mga maliliit. Gaya ng mga